How to manage and push notifications on TikTok app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage notification in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok, and this is my profile as you can see. Now if you want to push notifications, just go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines, and after that choose the third option here and go down, search for push notifications, and you will find it. Here is it right here. Click on it, and now you will be able to manage notifications as you want. You can turn on or turn off any option you want or you don't want. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.